Hello and welcome to 5 Hotly Artsy Girls. It's Monday. So I finished high school for good on Friday. I had my last 2 exams ever, and I really don't have to go back to school ever again. Well, back to high school. I will have exam review day where I go in to pick up my marks, or not my report card or anything, just when I go in to see what sort of marks I got on my exams. And I'm also the art director for a play in the Sears Festival, so I'm going to have to go in a couple of days to direct that art. Yeah, I designed the set for the Russian play, and so I have to go in and help paint it and supervise and stuff. What else happened? Oh, today well, my friend Daniela just left. She came over because she needed me to model a dress that she had made for her Ryerson portfolio for fashion design. So, yes, we did that, and about half an hour ago I wasn't made up or anything, so she made me beautiful for you. Well, I made myself beautiful. Well, I put makeup on, but I did it because she was coming over. Probably would have done it anyway, just for this thing, because I wear makeup when I go out in public, so why wouldn't I wear makeup when I'm presenting myself to the public? And I got a package in the mail today from Amazon, some things that I ordered about a week ago, and I got free shipping, which means it would take a week, because I figured I don't need it tomorrow because I have exams to study for. That didn't work out so well anyway, but I think I did alright on my exams. But this is what I got. I still haven't taken this out of the plastic yet. Oh, Christ. It's the Freedom Spark by Lyric and Love. I've been wanting it for a while, but absolutely nowhere has it. The only place I could find it is on Amazon. Learning yet another language. I got the Latvian dictionary and phrase book. I got Nina Garcia's 100. This is 100 things that every woman should have in her wardrobe. Such as the A-line dress. I like this one right here. And flapper era fashions from the Roaring 20s. Like that. So that was pretty good. Other than those 3 good things, this last week hasn't been so great. My grandmother's still sick, getting a little bit sicker. Also, I completely humiliated myself, and I've yet to find out whether that humiliation was worth it or not. So, now for this week's challenge. I'm going to teach you how to be Canadian. So, I'm going to teach you how to talk like a Canadian, so you'll have no doubt about it. I was going to film myself out in the snow, playing out in the snow, but I left it too late and it's dark out now, so it wouldn't make for a very interesting video. It is 6:30. I started making this video at 5:45, and it was dark out. Which is one of those things I don't like about the winter. It's a little bit depressing. Okay. I'm here in my winter jacket so that I can appear extra Canadian. Alright, so I'm going to teach you a little bit about the way Canadians speak and how to do a Canadian accent. Or, well, not a Canadian accent because there's different accents depending on where you go. But, I guess I'll do a Southern Ontarian accent, specifically from the GTA, which if you live outside of the GTA, there are some people who don't know what it means. It doesn't mean Grand Theft Auto, which is a terrible game. It means Greater Toronto Area. So, I don't know how many times Canadians are going to have to tell people this, but we don't say oot and a boot. I'm just going to get this out there. We say out and about. Out and about. And, like, I don't even enunciate that well when I'm not, like, speaking to you guys. Usually I just, like, mumble stuff, and I'm like, yeah, mom, yeah, dad, yeah, I'm going out, okay, bye. But I don't say oot and a boot. Now, maybe I'm not the best person to tell you this, because I'm not actually Canadian. Well, I am. I'm a Canadian citizen, and to prove it, I will show you my Canadian passport. This is my Canadian passport. Voilà mon passeport. This is me. And you don't need to see that picture any more than that. Yeah, I'm a Canadian citizen, but I moved here when I was 3 or 4-ish, and I was born in England, in Somerset, County of Somerset, in Yeovil. Now, I know I don't have the best accents down there, but I think my Canadian accent might be the slightest bit tainted by my English relatives. My dad was born and raised in England. My mom was born in England and brought up both in England and in Canada. And her parents, my grandparents who live in Canada, were both born and raised in England. So I seem to think that I have just a fairly standard Canadian accent, but I don't know what other people hear. So, and even if my accent is a little bit weird, I still have never heard a Canadian person, at least not around where I live, say oot and a boot. Sorry. So now I don't really know what else to say about Canadian accents. Hello, my name is Cassandra Taglioni. I'm 18 years old, and I was born in Toronto, Canada. Also, not all Canadians speak French. I mean, we should. Like, seriously? It's offered to us in school. We have to take French from, at least I know in the Ontario curriculum, we have to take French from grade 4 to grade 9. And after that, it's available to us all the way to grade 12. And I did take French all the way to grade 12. I still don't think that I speak it very well. But most people drop it at, they drop it after grade 9, and a lot of my friends are like, oh yeah, I can't speak any French. I'm like, really? Seriously? What's your excuse? But, yeah. I heart Quebec, and I really don't want them to separate. That being said, je ne parle pas français. Ou je parle français un peu, mais pas bien. Je suis désolée.